I'm whipping the phone and I can't whip no beetle. I wrote that chain line over a beater. I like this song like I'm Eva Knievel. But it don't mean nothing without all my people. When I step up on stage, hand it to the sky.
Okay, we're good. Hey guys, today I bring you something different. I haven't really done anything college related. I'm bringing you guys college dorm / apartment haul. I'm moving into an off-campus apartment, but like, I mean, if you put dorm, you get more views. So today we're gonna start off with, oh, I guess I should tell y'all where I'm going to college. Duh. Okay, so I'm going to college at Sam Houston State University. I'm gonna be going this fall. I'm transferring because I've been going to community college for 2 years, and now I'm going to be transferring there. I didn't really want to do this video at first because I was kind of like, I really don't want people knowing what I got. You know, that's my business. But then I'm just like, I mean, it doesn't really matter because I'm probably gonna post it on Snapchat anyway. So I guess. Anyway, so should I start with 5 and below? Let me start with this comforter because I actually got this comforter 2 years ago and I used it for a little bit and didn't really use it. I got this from Target. This is comforter set. I think I paid $100 for it at Target, but it's just like white with gold dots. It's pretty cute. Definitely gonna be styling my room with this. So I tried to style my room around the comforter white and gold, but that didn't really happen, so I just gotta keep neutral colors. And okay, I try to go by themes and it just never works out. But yeah, this comes with pillowcases, the comforter. I think it came with sheets, but those sheets are on my bed now and I just bought some new sheets. It's not a big deal. Next, I'm gonna start off with 5 and below because this is the first place I went. I got these storage containers for my lunch and stuff when I'm packing lunch. I didn't really, when I was in community college, I didn't really eat lunch at school. I only went to college 2 days out of the week. So after class, I went home and ate, but I'm not gonna have time for that because I'm going to class every day of the week except Friday, and then I work. So I'm gonna have to bring my lunch or something. So that's what these are. And these were $5. 5 and below, guys, don't play around. Like, anyways, next I got this little storage container. I don't know what I'm gonna use this for. I really don't know what I'm gonna use this for at all. It was $3, so I'll find something, I guess. I really tried to get what I need, and I know there's still stuff on my list that I need to get, but I have like 4 weeks, so it's not a big deal. I got this trash bin. This was $4. I'm still deciding if I'm gonna put this in my room or in my bathroom, but I think I'm gonna do it in my room because I did have a trash bin in my room a long time ago, but I don't have one in my room now. I just have a trash can in my restroom, so I'll put it in here. Oh, I forgot to add, my apartments are already furnished, but for my room I just get a bed, a dresser, and a desk. And so I was trying to look for an end table, which I still need to get. I could not find one at all the places we went. Options were horrible. And this is the laundry bin. I tried to do something that was easy to pack. They had like the actual bins, but I'm like, that's not gonna be easy to pack and travel back and forth, you know, when I'm leaving. Like, that's not gonna be easy. So I got this one. How much was this? This was $5. Everything's 5 and below. You can't beat that. Okay, is that everything 5 and below? That's not everything. I forgot I got some more stuff. Let me see. So I got this water bottle from 5 and below as well, and I got some headphones, but I gave them to my sister because I thought they were wireless. I don't know why I would think they would have wireless headphones at 5 and below, but I did. They're not wireless, so I'm about to use it. I'm about to wash it and then use it. Where's the stuff I just went through? So now we'll move on to TJ Maxx because I only got one thing from there. Me and my mom went to 5 and below, and my grandma went to TJ Maxx, and she came back with this. I'm like, Granny, that was so nice of you. Like, I'm so like, thank you so much for this glass cup set, but I don't know if I'm comfortable with putting my precious glass cups out in there because I have 2 other roommates. I don't know if I'm comfortable with doing that, and I wouldn't even let my guests use this. Like, you're using a plastic cup from Walmart. I'm sorry. These are my fancy cups, so I don't know. But thank you, Granny. I'll use this on special occasions. So this is what I'm gonna use this for on special occasions. I still need to get some plastic cups. I forgot to get some at Walmart, so I gotta do that. And we'll move on to Ross. Okay, at Ross I got this, what's this called? You put it in your bathtub. It's like a bath rug. And I do, because I don't like my feet touching the bathtub. People have lived there before me. I don't know if they had foot funguses. I don't know. I don't care. I don't want it. So I have this to protect my feet. And yeah. Then these for my, okay. For my shower curtain, I got this color, this teal colored shower curtain. And we tried to do my bathroom around that theme, but it's really hard to find teal things, but we tried. I didn't even know it came with these little shower hooks right here. And we ended up buying some more. So I don't know if we're gonna take them back or what. Probably keep them. So this is my shower curtain. And then this is the curtain that goes behind it. Oh, my shower curtain was $12. I'm not selling, I don't know why I'm not selling the prices. But my shower curtain was $12 and this was $3. Do y'all really care about the prices? Or do y'all just want to see the stuff? Let me know down below, because I don't know. And then I got this caddy. Oh wow, okay. I got this shower caddy, and I have a shower caddy right now, and it kind of gets on my nerves. Okay, let me tell you, because I'll have it hanging up and I'll put like my shampoo on this side, then it starts leaning. That's so annoying. Does that happen to y'all? That's just annoying to me. But there's that. Then I got these velvet, these velvet hangers. These are not the ones I wanted. I wanted plain black ones, but I'm gonna tell you what happened. So these were eight for a pack for $3.99. But I ended up going to another store and they had 25 a pack for $9. I should have just waited, because these were not what I wanted anyways. But I guess. So I got 2 packs of these. And my grandma was like, I have clothes hangers at home. Like, why don't you just get mine? And I don't know why I tried to get decorative clothes hangers. Like, it doesn't matter. Who's going to be in my closet? No one but me. So I don't know why I was trying to be extra with this. But there we go. Oh, I got this light from 5 and Below too. I forgot to show y'all this. This is the light I got from 5 and Below. I want to put this on my end table if I ever find one. Yeah. Okay. These were the rods that we got for my shower curtain. So I'm probably going to use these because I like these better than the ones that it came with. Can y'all see that? Okay. There we go. And my mom and my grandma kept talking about these silverware at the hall. They're like, these silverware are ugly. They're cheap. I don't care. You're gonna know my silverware from everyone else's. That's why I got them like this, because you're gonna know which silverwares are mine, okay? This is how they are. Blue or teal, whatever, I don't care. And they're actually, I mean, they were cheap, but they don't look like it's silverware, you know what I mean? So this is them. And it says 17 set, but I counted and it's 16. So I think I'm missing a piece, but whatever, I guess. Rip off. And I got this towel set. I'm still gonna get some more towels, but for now this is a good start. Comes with 2 little towels, 2 medium towels, and 2 big towels. I'm gonna need more than that because if I have guests, I'm just gonna need more towels. So that's this. Then these are my dish towels. My apartment still hasn't told me who my roommates are, and we're moving in like less than 4 weeks. Actually less than a month. So I'm just wondering, TikTok, what's going on? But it's okay, I guess. These are my, yeah, I already showed y'all. This is for my toothbrush. Plain, you know, plain, nothing serious. This is to clean the toilet, because, you know, trying to keep that toilet clean. And I think is that all I got from Ross? Yep. That's all I got from Ross. Okay, so the next place we went to, wow. Okay, the next place we went to was Tuesday Morning. I don't know if y'all have heard about this, because honestly I didn't hear about it until a couple years ago. My grandma goes there all the time. I don't even know if every state has this or every country has this, but it's called Tuesday Morning, and they had a lot of good stuff. So I got this oven mitt, and my grandma picked out the kitchen stuff because, I mean, I can whip up something quick, but I'm no cook, you know what I mean? Like, I can whip something up, but I'm no chef, if you know what I mean. Like, I can whip up some baked chicken real easily, but if we're talking about like some lasagna, some homemade lasagna, I don't know about all that. I don't know. Okay, so she got these plates. They're super cute. These cute plates. How many are in here? 12. That's pretty good. And this little set with the spoon and the spatula. Well, this is from Ross. Oh well. Okay, so this as well. Then this little can opener, because I mean you're gonna need a can opener eventually. And she got me this for like my vegetables and rice and stuff like that. But I'm probably gonna get another one because, you know, you want to cook your vegetables and your rice, you're gonna need more than one. So this one. And then she got me this double set, which is this considered a skillet? No, this is a frying pan. Yeah, this is a skillet. I was right. Okay, this is a skillet. My mom also got this from, did she get this from Tuesday Morning or Ross? She got this from Ross. I'm all over the place, guys, but it just says a dream. It was super cute. And then we got this mop. I still need to get a bucket, so I'm gonna get that from like Dollar Tree or something because it's just a bucket. This mop and this dustpan and broom. Got that. Cute. And I think that's it. We can move on to, yeah, I think that's it. We can move on to Walmart. Walmart was the last. No, I forgot. Oh, I got these double pillows, these hotel style pillows from Ross. See, this is, I'm all over the place. I cannot. Then we got these shelf liners from Tuesday Morning because I don't like my touch. Okay, you know how you have those little drawers in your restroom or drawers wherever? Okay, you get what I'm saying. I don't like my toothbrush or my hair products touching the drawers because I don't know what they had in there. I need some shelf liners. If you didn't know, my family is germaphobes. I don't have it as bad as them, but it's pretty bad. Yeah, so I have some shelf liners. I'm lining everything because I don't know what they did there. I'm sorry. I'm really not, actually. But moving on to Walmart, I got this desk lamp. It was really cheap. I'm pretty sure every Walmart has this because I went out of town recently and that Walmart had it too. So I got mine in gold to, you know, do the whole gold theme. Which also my mattress pad I'm getting from my grandma. I'm getting my mattress pad. My grandma has a mattress pad she never opened. She has a crock pot she's never used because I'm trying to get a little slow cooker, you know, whip that food up in the morning, go to class, go to work, get back, food's ready. Get you a crock pot. I recommend you invest in one. Yeah, then I'm getting another comforter from there because I don't know if I'm going to use this comforter. I'm not sure. The one that I showed earlier, I'm not sure if I'm going to use that or not. So my grandma's getting me another one because she has so many comforters she does not use that she hasn't even opened. Yeah, but I have a couple things I'm getting from her house. I'm just going to go to her house and shop. I shop at her house all the time. It's great. This is my sheet set. I don't know why it was so hard finding a sheets, like a full-size sheet set everywhere. Like, I finally found one at Walmart. I think I took the last pack of this too. These people were not playing. Like, okay, wow. This is my first aid kit. And I was gonna get a Keurig, like I was ready to pay for that. But then my mom was like, do you really need a Keurig? And then she was telling me the price. She's like, get you a regular coffee maker that just allows K-cups. She's like, I don't think you really need a Keurig. Cause that's true, like at my house, we have 3 Keurigs. One my mom uses at her job, and then we have the really big one, like the biggest Keurig you can get for here. And then my stepdad has the other Keurig, which he doesn't use. I don't know why he wouldn't just give it to me, but he wanted to be difficult. Okay. But I got this single serve coffee maker. And yeah, it was 20 bucks, and it takes K-cups and it takes the ground coffee, so that's pretty good. But I'm gonna do K-cups because I'm in a rush. I don't have time for that. Light bulbs, because you know I need light bulbs for my lamps and stuff. I think the last thing I got, no wait, no. This is like the skinny vacuum. It was 20 bucks. And it's like, you can take it off and use this, like use the vacuum like this as well. But when you buy your stuff, like if it's fabric or something, make sure you wash it before you put it to use. Cause they come from factories. People be touching it in the stores. Make sure you wash your stuff, don't play. I got this high velocity fan because I don't know how my roommates like it. Like I don't know how they want the air to be. So I had this fan just in case, and I don't know if I'm ordering a heater. We'll just see how it works out. Like we'll see how things go. I got this full length floor mirror. I don't remember how much I paid for it. I think I paid $5. It's at Walmart. So I need to get plastic cups, a mop bucket, knives, like those really big knives for like cutting stuff. May I help you? I'm filming. Okay, anyways, I need storage bins, cleaning products, because you know I'm trying to clean before you. Can you be quiet? I'm not asking. Oh. So cleaning products for, you know, after you move in, you want to clean up your room because it's dirty. I don't care what people say, that they say it's clean. You still need to clean it for yourself to get that reassurance. And I'm getting a crock pot, mattress pad, and clothes hangers from my grandma's house. And then a plunger, and that's it. So if I forgot, if I left anything out that wasn't in the list, like let me know down below, stuff that you think I need. And yeah, okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Bye guys.